Ka Sorkar jela kala Bthah ya ke Shillong Municipal Board SMB bat ya katnat penroisor panpit bahabiang bat banwan bat ke jingshai habaya day bat ke Jubab RTI ke bak deu ba chispa saw popra tali kilong yeng na ki lai spa saw po artali hapo them yo mau long ki bade ki basa be ai ke Jubab RTI ke day ke bala yo na ka SMB da ka New Trap Youth Council HYC ke bala dawa bantuklan mardo dau sembut menteri rangba ke jela ba Preston tin song abakran syagilat pathai ku bor ba Preston laong ba ka desisha ka HYC kala IT da ka dorkas halor ke Jubab ba kiyo ling ba ka RTI ka bakdeo ba ha ka jaka lai spa saw po artli kilong yeng kilap batang kumba chispa khandai po saw kide kilong yeng jong kinong tre ka SMB pat kiwe kitran bat ulaong ba ya kane ha ban pin shisha ulaong ba ka Sorkar kala pha ya ka jingtho sha o CEO ka SMB bat director katnat urban affairs pakin pin shisha bat hadin kata kin pentip biang sha ka Sorkar.
Just that one, in fact, they have submitted the memorandum to me, and then pointing out about the RTI copy that they received, they said instead of 342, they found out that it was only 94 or something like that. So I told them, subjected to verification again. So I have already sent back this copy to the Chief Executive Officer as well as to the Director of the Urban Affairs Department, where they have to verify, re-verify, and then come back, give it the detail to me.
But the reply
was given by the Shillong Municipal Board to the RTI filed by the HYC?
No, that's what I'm saying. See, RTI, because the way the reply of RTI is, I remember correctly when I was looking after power. That again, that's Sabaka scheme. The RTI and the actual things that we have in the file is different. So I don't say that it is in totality correct. That's what I sent back to the department concerned to bring back all the details, and if need be, clarification has to be given to